Hi everybody, Chris Giles here from the factory. Hope you're doing awesome. The death of Kobe Bryant has really affected a lot of people this week. I spoke about it on Monday. And I think what it does, it made us all aware of the miracle of life, how much time is so precious. I spoke about it on Monday, but I want to really reference today. There's some things or thoughts that I live by. It's funny, there are 10 different actual statements, but I put them into a sentence here for you, and then I'll explain what they are. They're as follows. Use your minutes and seconds wisely by being very aware, building knowledge and operating with military precision, and your reconnaissance, while noting that everything you said will be held against you. So make sure your say-do ratio is high. Manage your world by participating at all times for your benefit and that of others while enjoying your day. That's something I live by every day. But really what it boils down to is these 10 simple, we call them gears of life here at the factory. It's the idea of the following. Treat minutes and seconds as if they're important. That'll take care of the hours and the days. Be aware at all times. Treat yourself as if you have to know what's going on, or be aware as much as possible. Make sure you're aware that knowledge is also available. Always be learning, searching out more information, asking questions, making sure today you're a little bit more knowledgeable than you were yesterday. The military precision is related to the fact that the military has to make the right decision because the consequences are dire. Maybe we should think the same and hold ourselves to a higher level. To sign your signature, that was related to the fact that whenever you put your signature down there, it says something about you, and you make sure you hold up to that word. Make sure you know that you can be counted on. Your say-do ratio says that whenever you say you're going to do something, that you do it. You can be counted on to say the thing and then do the thing. If your say-do ratio is low, not so good. This management, it's really critical. Too many people rely on their manager. My philosophy is you should be your own manager, so much so you're the easiest person for them to manage. Manage yourself more effectively. It's easier for you to be more successful and find a way. Be the best person on your team for you. Always on. The concept of don't turn work on, work off, family life on or off, but rather cohabitate in a world that allows you to be flexible and incorporate everything into the thing where your priorities are following exactly what they should be. To make a difference, that's a simple one. We always talk about it. Take down the mirrors, put up the windows, find the other people and do something for them. It feels better. And the last one's carpe diem. You know me. I always believe in time is our energy, time is our money. My friends, it's been a big week. I ask you to pay attention to these things and do everything you can, Wishing you the best. Carpe diem. Chris Giles from the factory.